Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. Today we will be replacing the ear speaker of iPhone 12 mini. So as you all can see, we will try to open it first. It is very much difficult to open the phone because there is a lot of display risk in it. We will show you how to open the display. First we will remove bottom screws, then we will try to open the display from the bottom side. Guys, as you all can see how we are struggling to open the display. We are trying to open the display very carefully because as you all can see from the volume button side there is a display strip. Beside the vibrator button there is a ear speaker strip. We have to be careful while opening the ear speaker strip. If the strip gets cut, then the Face ID won't be able to work. Almost 90% of the display has come out. We have from the all four sides of the phone we have heated up 500 degrees Celsius from the blower. Now it will come out very easily. It is coming out. The display is very thin. We have to be careful while opening the display. It's a paper display. It gets flexible, very flexible display. If the tweezer twists the display, there are chances of display going blank. Finally, we managed to open the phone. As you all can see, what is there in iPhone 12 mini. We are opening now the display strip. After opening the display strip, we will switch off the phone first. Now we will remove the ear speaker strip plate from the motherboard. After removing the plate from the motherboard, we will disconnect the display strip as well as the ear speaker strip. Now we will try to remove all four screws from the display. technique how to replace only the ear speaker without damaging the Face ID. We won't remove the full strip. We will only remove the ear speaker from the display. Now we will apply some flags on the shouldering tips. After applying the flags on the shouldering tips, now we will put the shouldering iron on both the tips and disconnect the ear speaker from the display. As you all can see, we have successfully removed the ear speaker. Now we will put the new speaker on the same strip without damaging the Face ID. Now we will refix the speaker. Remember guys, we have to put the same screw at the same places because all 4 screws size are different. Now we will put the display back in the phone and check the ear speaker. Finally, the ear speaker is absolutely working fine now. Now we will fix the phone back as it was before. We will fix the full phone first and then we'll check the ear speaker once again. To watch more videos of mobile repairing, do follow my channel, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.